Wow, and that's before ever having a lesson.
Yeah.
You are going to be good. You going to put your foot up? Uh-huh. Okay, so stand up and do that tap thing again. No, the fancy tap where you stand up. Sydney, stand up. There. Sydney, I can't see you. Stand up and do it. Okay. Do it again. Okay, blow some kisses. Like that. And can you bow?